Here's how to set up and use your new LectroFan Micro2. Please charge your new Micro 2 before you use it for the first time. The included USB cable can be connected to any powered USB source, including notebooks or AC outlets, using a standard AC to USB adapter. The charging cable included with your Micro 2 is a standard USB-A to micro USB cord. If you ever lose it, or if you'd like to use a longer or shorter cable, any standard USB-A to micro USB cable will work fine. A full charge will take about 2.5 hours. The indicator lamp will glow red when it's charging and then change to green when it's fully charged. Now you're ready to use your Micro 2. Slide the power switch to the right to select Sound Masking. Slide the power switch to the left to stream audio from your smartphone or other Bluetooth device. When you're not using the Micro 2, place the power switch in the center position to save battery charge. Use the forward and back buttons to select a sound. The forward button advances to the next sound, and the back button selects the previous sound. There are 4 variations of white, pink, and brown noise, 5 fan variations, and 2 ocean sounds. You can twist the speaker up for more directional sound and use the volume buttons to adjust the sound level. To connect to your smartphone or other Bluetooth device, slide the power switch to the left. The Micro 2 will play this sound, and the lamp will blink blue, indicating that it's ready for pairing. Next, select LectroFan Micro2 from your Bluetooth device. If it doesn't appear, make sure that it's not already connected to another phone and that it's in range. Now you can play audio from your device on your Micro 2. You can twist the speaker up for directional sound and use the volume buttons to adjust the sound level. When your Micro 2 is connected to a smartphone, press the play-pause button to answer an incoming call, and again to hang up the call. You can also press the play button twice to redial the last dialed number. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, here's how to reach us. And happy travels!